Alrighty guys, so welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we got a new car, guys. Check this out, the brand new Arrma Kraton EXB V2. These are all the specs. It's supposed to go 65 miles per hour in the optional gearing, and it's signed by one and only Kamikaze RC. Huge thanks for him. So before I unbox it, this setup is by him, so he set it up, not me at all. So let's get straight into it. Boom, guys, check this out, man. Damn, this thing's looking fresh out of the box. Check this out. So I am doing some 3D printed parts on this. So as you can see, this one put some roof skids already on my gloss black. I know you can see some scratches. It's not brand new. It is for me, but can already use it. Couldn't wait anymore. And we already have some damage a little bit, but I did reinforce the body as you guys can see. Gorilla Tape to put foam here just to give it some cushion. This is where the roof skids are, so mounted, really solid. So this is my black gloss bash bar, super flexible. Look at that. I mean, it's flexible, but not too much, but it will take some beating. I don't really like these sway bars on my bash car, so I just took them off. But in a future video, we are gonna throw in the 16 tooth on it and take it bashing out. But in this video, we are gonna take it out. So don't go anywhere. We are gonna take it out just on the stock gearing. I believe it's a 13 tooth. I believe, not 100% sure. So guys, if you guys don't know who Kamikaze is, I'll put some video clips right here. To go subscribe to it and give him a follow on his social media. I'll put the link down below. But enough talking, let's go get this rig. Dude, this thing runs so good. Ooh. Oh my God. good. Oh, that was a smooth one. That was smooth. Oh, grab. Oh crap, I almost got your body. Oh crap. Oh damn. Woo. First double? Oh my god, that thing bounced.